Just clean it off a little bit more. What do you do when you're finished with them? Where do they go?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mom?
Some more?
Are you helping Daddy clean?
Okay. Let's see. Can you clean down here again? Here's another one. Here, I'll get that. Alright, we'll put it up here. Can you clean the bottom of the shower? Hey, Ted, clean right down here for me. You see, there's still some stuff right there. And there's some right there too. Okay, go for it. Yeah, just scrub it. It'll come off. Yeah, keep going. All the way. Do the whole thing. Start from there and go over here. It's dirt. It's dirty. We'll do the commode next. Oh yeah.
Are you big boy helping Daddy?
Are you excited cleaning the commode? No, not yet. You just used that. You just got that one.
Table.
Here, can you clean the tub again? Ted, can you clean up here? Can you clean up here? Look right there. There's some stuff right there. What's that? You gotta wipe it off. You gotta get it. Ooh, yeah. See, you left all kinds of stuff on the tub. Okay, you get it. All done?
Good job.
You got it all? Alright.
Another one?
Hang on. I think all we got left is the toilet.
Where are you going? You gonna clean the chair? You can't clean the chair with that thing. You're gonna try anyway, huh?
Here, wipe that diaper genie off. You wipe the top of this and put it up here. See that? Yeah. Just clean it off, just like that. Can you do that? There you go. Yeah, clean that.
You gotta get the chair again? What are you doing? What are you doing to the chair?
Can you say cleaning? Cleaning?
Do you remember we're going to Nana and Papa's this weekend? What do we do at Nana and Papa's? We drive the mule, that's right. What else is at Nana and Papa's? Tractor. That's right. You drive the tractor? Do you drive the tractor with Papa? No. What? Do you drive the tractor with Dada?
Where do you put that? Where's that go? When you're finished, where's that go? Where's it go? In the trash, that's right. We'll come put it there.
Hey, come back in here. Bring that back in here, please. Tag. Where is Tag? There you are.
Hey Ted, can you sing your ABCs? A, B, C, D.
No.
No, you don't want to sing it? E, F, G.
No.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. What comes next?
Y.
Well, Y comes after X.
Y.
Okay. You want to try again? A, B, C, D, E.
Good job. Thank you for throwing that in the trash. What's wrong?
You want those corks? They're just right there. Get that cork.
They're right here on the bed.
Is that not what you want?
No.
Oh, yeah.
You think you want the candle? Can you count the corks?
How many are there?
2.
Yep, there's 2. Can you?
1, 2.
Can you say bye-bye? Tag, look at mommy. Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye?